Welcome to Quiz Titans! Score, roar, and explore! Think you're a cell expert? Grab your brain cells and let's get started! Here's a quick one to kick things off. What do we call the study of cells? And the winner is… cytology, the science of studying cells in detail. Okay, the next one is a classic biology riddle. Cells are the basic what of life? And the correct answer is… units! Cells are the basic units of life. Organisms can be divided into which two groups based on the number of cells? It's unicellular and multicellular. Time to shrink down to the microscopic world. Which is made of single-celled organisms? And the right answer is amoeba. All right, let's go big. Which of these belong to the mighty multicellular club? Which is multicellular? And the correct choice is rose. Plants are multicellular organisms. Shape matters, but when it comes to cells, what really decides their form? And the right pick is function. A cell's shape is linked to the job it performs. Time for some theory. But don't worry, this one's a classic biology rule. Which is a correct point of cell theory? And the correct answer is all living organisms are made of cells. Here's a mystery of life itself. Where do brand new cells actually come from? It's pre-existing cells. They multiply by dividing. Let's break down the basics. Every typical cell has three main parts. Can you name the third one? The correct answer is nucleus, the control center of the cell. Imagine your cell as a busy city. Now, the cell membrane acts most like which of these? And the right answer is a gatekeeper. It decides what enters and exits the cell. Ever noticed how plant cells look like little boxes under a microscope? Which outer wall gives plant cells their boxy shape? It's the cell wall. That's what makes plant cells stiff and boxy. Plants and animals may share the cell stage, but their insides aren't quite the same. Compared to plants, animal cells usually have what kind of cytoplasm? And the correct answer is denser and more granular cytoplasm. Plants have a few secret superpowers in their cells that animals don't. Can you guess one? It's plastids. Only plants have them. Think of vacuoles as storage bags inside cells. But in plants, what do they usually look like? And the right answer is few and large. That's how plant cells store water and nutrients. We just saw how plant cells store their stuff. But what about animals? Let's flip the script. In animal cells, vacuoles are usually numerous and smaller. Quick one, some cell features are exclusive clubs. Plastids are one. Plastids are found in only plant cells. They are a plant's toolkit. All right, plant power time. Which plastids are the little green and do photosynthesis? It's chloroplasts. They capture sunlight and cook up glucose. Let's add some color to this quiz. Which plastids paint flowers and fruits in bright shades? It's chromoplasts. They make tomatoes red and flowers bright yellow. Not all plastids are flashy. Some prefer to stay colorless but super useful. Can you name them? It's leucoplasts. They don't show off with colors. Instead, they stockpile starch and proteins. Every cell needs protection. But what's that thin, flexible boundary holding it all together? It's the plasma membrane. It lets food and oxygen in and keeps the cells safe. Every city has a mayor, every team has a captain. So what is the control center of the cell? It's nucleus. It holds DNA, the master instruction manual of life. Inside every cell, the nucleus has its own security cover. Can you name the porous cover that surrounds the nucleus? It's nuclear membrane. It protects the nucleus, guarding the DNA. Peek inside the nucleus and you'll spot a tiny dark dot. But what is it called? And the right answer is nucleolus. Ever wondered how traits like eye color or height get passed on? It's thanks to thread-like structures that carry hereditary information. What are they called? It's chromosomes. They carry the genetic blueprint of life. Right next to the nucleus, there's a maze of folded membranes. Can you name this network? It's endoplasmic reticulum, often called the ER for short. Cells need builders to stay alive. What tiny granules make proteins? It's ribosomes. A single cell can have millions of ribosomes working together. Here's a tasty clue. Inside your cells, which organelle looks like stacked pancakes? And the correct answer is Golgi bodies. They sort, modify, and pack proteins. Every cell needs energy to survive. Which bean-shaped organelles are the powerhouses of the cell? It's mitochondria. Cells can get messy too, but luckily, they've got their very own cleanup crew. Which small sacs act like the cleanup crew? It's lysosomes. Animal cells don't just split magically. Which tiny cylinders help animal cells divide? It's centrosomes, also called centrioles. Plants are thirsty creatures. Inside their cells, which huge sac holds water and cell sap? And the correct answer is vacuole, the big storage tank of the plant cell. Here's a juicy one. Those big plant vacuoles aren't empty. They're filled with a special liquid. But what's it called? It's cell sap. Let's talk about the famous red blood cells. But what shape do they really have? And the right answer is discs. Their disc shape gives them more surface area to carry oxygen. Some microbes are named for their funky shapes, and one even looks like a tiny slipper. Which organism is it? It's paramecium. It is a single-cell organism. Here's a twisty one. Quite literally, one algae has spiral chloroplasts. Can you guess which? It's Spirogyra, famous for its spiral chloroplasts. Some of your own body cells can change shape, just like little amoebas. Can you guess which ones? And the correct answer is white blood cells. Leaves may look flat and simple, but under a microscope, their cells have a very neat shape. Can you guess it? And the correct answer is cubical or rectangular. Your heart never stops working. Its muscle cells are built in a special shape to keep pumping all the time. What shape are they? It's cylindrical. Not all muscles are big and strong. Some are smooth and gentle. What shape are smooth muscle cells? It's spindle-shaped. They are found in places like your stomach and intestines. Cells come in all shapes and sizes, but one is so large you could hold it in your hand. The largest cell is ostrich egg, the world's largest cell. From the biggest egg to the tiniest life forms, let's zoom way in. The smallest cells occur among It's bacteria, some of the smallest cells on Earth. How many did you get right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your score. See you in the next challenge.